How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing an iPhone 12 Pro in silver, 256 gigabytes. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we'll look at the box itself. You can see the box, it's a lot slimmer than previous years because there is no AC adapter included in the iPhones anymore. So that's a different thing that they've done. And if we look in the back, you can see right here, iPhone 12 Pro Silver 256 is the variation, and we do have a silver outlining on the box, and all of the Pro variations of the iPhones are a darker colored box as opposed to the white, which is the ones of the regular iPhone 12s. Let's go ahead and first take off the plastic. You can see it's got this little peel right here. We'll just peel that right off, and we'll place the iPhone just right there on the ground, and we'll go ahead and take that plastic piece off right there. And let's get that kind of iPhone wow factor as we lift the box off, and boom, the phone is just sitting right there on top. So we're gonna go ahead and just take the phone out, and we're just gonna place it down here just for a second, and we're gonna just have a look at the contents inside of the box first. First things first, we do have the Lightning to USB-C. So we'll go ahead and just pop that out right there. And different from previous years, before you would get the Lightning to USB-A, now it's Lightning to USB-C. If you do need the extra adapter for this that does the rapid charging, which fits the USB-C, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. It's the one that I use. It works fantastic. It charges very, very fast, and you don't have to use any of your old iPhone bricks because you can't. You have to have the USB-C variation. And we'll take this out, and there we have your SIM card ejector tool, which you can plug into the phone and eject the SIM card tray. And we've got the white Apple sticker, as well as obviously your kind of pamphlet and stuff like that, which we don't really care about. Let's go ahead and throw that to the side right there. And that's all that's in the box, just your cable and your pamphlets and sticker. And let's have a look at the phone itself. So there it is. So silver, so it's got kind of like a matte white finish on the back. It's very bright, obviously, in my lights and camera right here. We've got the silver Apple logo just on there. Let's go ahead and just first peel off the front sticker part right now, and we'll go ahead and do that. Oh, I love that. Love that. Nice, fresh, clean iPhone. Obviously, you do want to put a screen protector on this right away. I will link my favorite screen protector for this in the description box below. But silver, it's very, very silvery chrome all around the sides of it. It's like, basically, it's a mirror, which is crazy. You can see it does fingerprint quite a bit with my greasy fingers right there. But if we look on the bottom, you can see we've got all the nice ports and stuff like that. We've got your volume up and down switches on the side, standard iPhone stuff, and obviously we've got the antenna, the 5G antenna and stuff right there. And there's your button, which is a lot slimmer on this one as well. And there's your SIM card ejector tool, and yeah, look at all the fingerprints that I'm putting all over this brand new phone. But that's okay, we're gonna put a case on it right away anyways. And there is the triple camera system on the back. That is gorgeous, just check that out. All right guys, iPhone 12 Pro in silver 256. That's a quick unboxing and look at it. Comment down below which color you like, which one you're getting. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.